it is Susie, and hope everybody is doing well and enjoying our summertime season. I always love to see summer come, even if it gets extremely hot. I love summertime. So we are in really, really hot days where I'm at. I think today is like 99 degrees, and a lot of times we have the humid factor that the heat index even goes higher, so it feels a lot hotter. So I think today was supposed to be like 102 or something, 105. So very, very sultry, humid heat here today in my neck of the woods. This here is, of course, the Your Creative Studio. I'm going to do an unboxing. This will be the April box. Also, before I open it, I wanted to do just a quick note for you all. I will be putting the shop on vacation mode June the 28th, and it will be closed through July the 8th. So I will be on vacation those days, and so the shop will be closed. Also, I'm not sure what day I will post this video, and the shop may already be on vacation by the time I get the video posted to YouTube. So anyway, with that said, let's get in and see what Amanda has in this box. As always, I'm going to open it with you, and we will see what is in this box. So my box did get a little crunch this time in the mail. Not bad, but a lot of times it doesn't get crunched like that, but it did this time. Okay, so I can see on the top of the box it said shell, so I knew that this box was going to be about seashells. So of course here is Amanda's thank you card that she always puts in there. Here is her paper. She has wrapped it in. Okay, so we'll just start with this. This says dot square, so I'm sure it's just some square dotted. Well, it looks like it might be in different colors. Okay, so we have some red and blue and green. Okay, and those are, of course, sticky back. So they will peel, I believe it peels off. They are stickers, so that will be fun. Especially with some little stamps or rub-ons in there. So there is that. Here we will have a clinging stamp. It looks like a seahorse and a shell. So these are really pretty, these are. And I will stamp these later on in the video for you to see. Loaf cakes. Oh, now this looks nice, especially if you were doing a recipe. Oh, these are cute. I even like the way they have tied those this time in the paper. So, yeah, these are like recipes. These would be great in a recipe book. These are like old advertisements, actually. Yeah, these are really cute. Especially if I coffee dyed them and got them a little more aged. This is manual account material package, antique collection. So let's see what we have here. Oh, looks like we've got some little bits here. Okay. Now these, I'm not sure, are sticky back. They might be. I'll have to just see if I can peel them after a while. Yeah, I think they are sticky. So you can peel off the back and they will stick. So it looks like we got some numbers here. We've got a For You tag there. Best wishes tag, and just some little music, blank music sheet. There's some dots. Oh, okay, so here is just some little, these would be great little collage papers there. And these are great for collaging as well. Love that. Oops, it looks like something didn't get tore off. There we go. There are a couple of the women and children. Yes, really cute. Those are good for collages, for sure. And then here are, it looks like a woman by the sea there. And that print. Is that it? No, here's another one. So there are some little collage pieces there. Okay, and oh, these are cute. These are some stamps. These have some nice florals on them. So these are pretty cute. And I like that one. Alright, so there's kind of a variety of little stamps with florals on them. Okay, here are some seahorses, and are just, yeah, these are seahorses. A lot of seashells there. And of course there will be repeats. Now these do not feel like you can peel the back off. You just have to use glue, Fabri-Tac, some kind of adhesive. Happy time. Looks like some little beach. Some little like journaling pieces here. Some coral it looks like. So that's really nice. Okay, there's that. Okay, and then this is some seashell. These look like just pages, just little, yeah, this little thin pages here. There, and then you've got there, and some more seashells. Just a lot of little pages about the sea and the beach. Those are cute. I haven't really done a summer journal. As a matter of fact, I haven't really made that many journals at all the last month or so. At all. So this is a cling stamp. It looks like a lighthouse and a seashell. So let's open it up. Oh, there we go. Yep, there is the lighthouse and there is the seashell. And like I said, I will stamp these for you at the end of the, I'll tag it on the end of the video. And then here are some seashells here. A sticker sheet. Here is just some stick-it notes, and I'm not going to pull them open. They will all be the same, and you can kind of see what they look like there. Just some stick-it notes. Oh, this is some like rice paper, some very, very thin. Yeah, and they're all the same. I can see that, and there's one. There's usually about 4 when they're like this. 2, yeah, I'd say there's 4. So there's that, and those are real thin. They'd be good for decoupage. So those are really cute. And then here is the bottom. Oops, I have some washi tape. So let's I can't really tell what it looks like. It looks like just seashell. It's very dark, so. Okay, so here's, it's just seashells. And I see beach. It's really cute. It's got like a little script on it. Very nice. And it's pretty sticky too. Okay. There's that. Okay, and then here is the very bottom, which looks like floral masking sticker set. So this is kind of like a washi. Just kind of like a little washi tape set here. So, yeah, that's what it is. It's just a little washi tape set. So it looks like you get 2 sheets like this. Here's some wider. And then you'll get a sheet of 2 really large pieces there. So I really like those. Those would be good in a vintage something. Alright, so that looks like the box for April, and I will gather some things and I will do some stamping here and just tag it on the end of this video. I'll be right back. Okay, so I wanted to show you the stamps. I really didn't have time to make anything this time around. I've had company for 2 weeks, and so I've just been trying to get this video worked in kind of when I can. So here is the seahorse, and I just put it on these guest checks. And here is the little seashell there. Here is like the little fan shell, and then here is the lighthouse. The stamps came out really good. And then I thought these would be really cute. What I did was I just took that square and I sewed, stuck the little floral stamp in there and just sewed around it. I thought these would be cute if I made even maybe some altered paper clips or something. I thought these would be real cute for, I'm not sure yet. And I'll probably try to make something a little later on. You know, maybe the end of the month or even into August. So I guess I should have said the end of July. I'm going to be on vacation for a few weeks, and so anyway, maybe the end of July or the beginning of August I can get something together. I will sure try. And anyway, guys, so thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, everyone.